Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of April 10th through the 16th. This is my classic skinny planner. I use this as my work log, so I just need lots of space to jot stuff down, what social media work I get done each day. And the theme I'm going with was actually driven by the stickers rather than the stickers were driving the theme, whereas usually I choose the theme and that points me in the direction of the stickers I'm going to use. But I had a couple very special bunches of stickers I wanted to use this week. So the first set of stickers I wanted to use is from the new Planything release. I will link a video in the cards up above. My unboxing of this which posted on Monday of this week. I also have an affiliate link for that, so if you show your support to me and Amber by going and shopping on her site using that affiliate link, she'll be able to recognize that, and I'll get a few pennies of the profit. So, but I regardless, I just love her stickers. I love supporting small shops, especially when they're doing their own artwork. So check that out. I want to use the pastel different shapes from this book. I'm just really intrigued by the idea of not having borders and just writing in the spaces. So I think this is going to pair nicely with some stickers that one of you all sent me. Nikki, I'm not going to say your last name, Nikki. Nikki A. Sent me some kitty cat stickers. So here are some. I think these might be vinyl, and I absolutely adore these. I'm absolutely going to do a book related spread using these, especially since I've been reading so much lately. These four for sure go together. This one, actually, maybe I could go ahead and use this one now, but I definitely want to use these because it looks like the kitty cats have allergies. They've got Kleenex boxes and they're saying Meow-Choo, and they've all these florals. I just think it would be really, really fun to use these stickers. So for National Pet Day and full bloom, if the flowers are giving the kitties sneezes, then I think those two themes are appropriate for what my spread will end up being. I like to put a quote down here, so I'm going to white that out. Oops. We'll start off by whiting that out. I was not planning on using any of these flaky stickers, but as I'm looking at them, I think this is the one that doesn't fit with the artwork of these others, although it definitely is reading related. But I'm thinking I could put this here maybe to cover up that whiteout. And I think that these colors go with these florals. Like we've got the orange and definitely the yellow and the blue, and maybe that can be my basically my big quote for this spread. I think we'll put it here to cover up the whiteout. So, and then we'll use the rest of these. So anyway, Nikki, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you thinking of me and taking the time to run to the post office and send me these stickers. I absolutely wanted to give you a shout out and use them right away. Super cute. I've never seen these. So we're going to pick up some of the colors in these with these boxes, but I really want to try to get outside of my comfort zone and use some of the shapes I don't normally use for this spread. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, and I pulled the pastel grid washi tapes that go as well. We'll see. I think the blue absolutely matches. I think the pink is a little bit of a stretch. I mean, there's a little bit of pink in here, but and then the green, I mean, there's green, but not this lime green. So maybe rather than getting overwhelmed with too many options, which I think it was Coco Chanel famously said something about before you step out of the house, remove one thing. And she was talking about like jewelry and baubles and stuff. So I think anything you can do to kind of simplify your options and not get into, as an engineer, we called that analysis paralysis. When you had so many options, so many different directions you could go in, that you were basically paralyzed because you couldn't make a decision. So one of our rules of thumb in engineering was, to keep it simple. Try to distill down into what you need versus what you want. I mean, if you focus in on what you need first, that can help you at least start to move forward and narrow down your options. So I think narrowing down to one color of washi is absolutely going to help us out. So the other thing I want to do is go ahead and start. I think I want to put this great biggest kitty right here because, and I'm going to say for me, it fits. And here's why. When you have a cold, all you want to do is snuggle up and do some self-care. And so if that includes a cat and a book, that would definitely include a kitty cat and a book for me. So I think what we'll do is little bits of washi here and there, and I want to stagger the two together. And we'll make those kind of like, I don't know if it's a tablecloth or a blanket, but that's going to be what the kitty cats are sitting on throughout the spread. And we'll just do little uneven rips. So let's put this guy on there. Super, super cute. And we're going to put this big Meow-Choo there with him. And then since in my little story that I'm creating as I'm decorating, this is due to allergies, maybe we need to put a small-ish flower down here as well. Let's grab this guy. Just want a small-ish one. There we go. Okay, bottom is all decorated out. So now I can zigzag back and forth however I want. Although since I'm using the rest of these kitties, I feel like that should be my diagonal. So let's put a big space for writing right here. Let's put more washi. So this is, I think this is going to be the formula, if you will, for this page. It's going to be washi with a cat and with a cat sitting on it and a space to write. So here's our washi space. Let's put a different color kitty. That guy's pretty big. How about this guy? Or we could put this let's put this guy standing up. And I think we'll put a box of Kleenexes with him. Like he's going to get the Kleenexes for his friend. Okay, so now we need a space here. Let's come back to the back and get an interesting shaped space. So like maybe a hexagon. I'm foreseeing yellow and blue. And maybe some of this red. But I think let's grab this nice, great, big yellow hexagon for right here. Yes, look how well that fits. I like that. There we go. Okay, perfect. Let's put a couple kitties over here. So I need more washi. Well, first of all, let's figure out. So this one has sharp edges. Let's put something a different shape here. There are some round, and I also think we want a different color. Maybe this is where we'll insert a pink. Will that fit right there? Maybe we'll go with some boxes for this one. This size. Let's do a big box of this color here. Yes. And then washi. This is going to be, I think this spread might feel a little cluttered to me by the time I get done with it, but you know what? As I've said in many of my videos, it's okay because I only have to look at it for a week. Plus it's kitties. All right, I think this guy needs to sit right here. I think I want to take all of these little individual florals and sprinkle them across the top up here with a couple of these Meow-Choos interspersed. Just to kind of use these up. Let's see. So I might need to move him, and here's why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kitties left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's perfect. I have one for each space. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to speed this up. Well, I've already sped this up while I go ahead and stick more these random flowers around here randomly. That's all the little flowers, a couple little Meow-Choos. We got one more to use over here somewhere. Maybe we'll put it with this guy who's just a little face because he's going to need a little help. So over here now, we need a kitty. I've got 2 darks. Let's put... I've got one guy walking. I guess I need maybe this guy because I've already got a guy laying with tissues. Let's put this guy here. And I think I want to go ahead and put a big floral. Let's put a big circle here. Maybe this blue color. There we go. Let's grab this one. Okay, and then we can fill in around that with this poor little guy. I got lots of boxes of Kleenexes left, actually. Okay, washi. Let's plant a big flower right here, right around the punch. This guy. Maybe we'll sneak one of these little boxes of Kleenexes just sitting here on top of this box. Maybe. And then one more. Let's see if we can fit. I fit another flower. 1, 2, I got 4 flowers left. Let's put one right there. It's okay if it goes a tiny little bit onto the circle. I don't mind. Okay, so now, since I've got circle up there, let's put a circle down here. Should I do a green circle? Maybe orange. Let's do the orange circle. I'm going to tuck it in over here closer to the punches. Okay. And then, should we do the little face down here with the box of Kleenexes? Well, first we got to put some washi on, which will help fill up the space since he's just a tiny little face. I think I want that washi, if I can, to snug under. There we go. Okay. I don't want the orange flower right next to the orange space, so let's go with this flower. I kind of want it to kind of look like it's growing out from around this, like it's almost like a boulder or something, you know? And then let's put the little box of Kleenexes up here, I think. And the poor little kitty. He's gonna need those Kleenexes. And let's put our last little Meow-Choo right there. Poor kitties and their allergies. So then I want the hexagon to be as far away from that hexagon as possible. So I think it's going to need to go here. So let's see. Here, here, yep, here under Monday. So let's see, we'll do red. Yeah, let's do a red hexagon way up there. Will it fit? Maybe if I turn it this way, it'll fit. Yep, just barely. It's close. It's really close. It might not quite fit. That works. That's okay. Okay, let's do here. Let's do a blue box. Or maybe we do, well, so here's the thing. I can't do a yellow box because if I do, I don't want the box to be by the box and I don't want the yellow to be by the yellow. So we're going to do a blue box. And then last but not least, I need something here. So I think I'll do, should I do green? Oh no, I need yellow. Yellow is my color. So whatever I do, it needs to be in yellow. I don't want another yellow hexagon. I could do a circle. Should we do a yellow circle? Yeah, let's do a yellow circle. That'll look pretty random. Okay, so there's all my writing spaces. I don't need this anymore. I have two grayish kitties. Let's split them. Let's go ahead and put some washi on here first because I can see where my washi needs to go. Okay. Writing spaces are down. Washi's down. All that's left is using the last of these kitties. So I've got yellow and yellow. That means that my last yellow is definitely going to go there. And he's big enough. I don't think he needs a floral to go with him to help fill up the space. We'll just put him right there like that. And then since these two are kind of similar in their poses, let's put this guy up here. And I think I want to put him walking toward a flower like he's getting ready to smell it. So let's put him there. And then since my orange is down here, let's put the only orange floral up here for him. Okay. And then that leaves these guys. There we go. Mission accomplished. We used all the kitty stickers. We've got plenty of space to write on each day. I think it's super cute. It's a little busy. It's a little colorful. You all know me and the bright colors, but I think I'm gonna like it. I think it's gonna be fun. I'll just use a black pen to write so that it shows up on all the different color little spaces. It's a little bit more color and vibrancy than I normally would do, but I think it's going to be really fun for a week. So there we go. There's my pet day in bloom. Hope you all don't suffer from allergies. My husband and I are pretty lucky. Neither one of us do. So neither do the cats. My sister's cat in college had an allergy. He would get a little fat bottom lip if he didn't eat the right food. So it can happen. It absolutely can happen. If you like this video, please do consider liking, subscribing, dropping me a smiley face or a kind word. All those interactions with my videos help me with the YouTube algorithm and are a great way to support me and help me grow. Thank you.